What's
What
up,
up,
guys?
B-Gang?
Welcome back to our channel.
Thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a minute, but as you can tell, we're moving our bedroom and our office studio. We're switching rooms, so our guest bedroom will now be our main bedroom, and now we're gonna have our bigger bedroom be our office, studio, and also a guest bedroom if we need it. So come laugh at us as we try to move everything.
Okay,
All right,
let's go.
Let's go. She's looking for the Allen wrenches that we're gonna use to tighten this bed, and then we're gonna move this whole bed into this room. And where that desk is, that's where the bed's gonna go. It's gonna go this way. We're gonna put the TV right here, or actually we're gonna hang it in the living room. We're gonna rearrange the living room, and then when we want to watch TV here, we're gonna have a stand for it here. And then we're keeping this vanity here. We might move it, but other than that, that's what we're doing so far. So let's get to it.
So you know,
True Mexicans, we have stuff stored under the bed.
the bed,
Show them where we put the colchones.
and then the other stuff, we have it in the living room. So this is the box thingy, spring, whatever, and then we have the mattress over here. And then we have like all the blankets on our couch. So we won't be using those anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and switch everything up. So yeah.
Help me.
What is he doing?
Me atrapé, dijo mi mamá.
Oh my god. Okay guys, let me help him right away.
We're in the bathroom area. Bought the bread frame out of there. Jimmied it in here. And we're gonna try to then stick it in the room. She's gonna be crazy.
I think it's started now.
Well, we can flip it here, no? No, we can't.
No, we can't. Because todavía se puede ir más para allá, ¿no?
Ahí ya topamos. We're trapped! I'm gonna just take this off.
I think that's what we should have done at the beginning. Well, let's take that one.
Go that way with this? Let me take out this desk. Be careful.
¿Este ya entrada?
Yeah. Here. Just go straight. No need to like bend it. Hold on.
You said just go straight. Alrighty. So we did that. Now armarla again. We'll see. Let's go. So this is how it's looking so far. My vanity is in here.
Turn the music down.
Turn the music down.
Before we get demonetized.
We'll get copyrighted.
Yeah. That was a struggle. We didn't really think things through, but
He's sweating.
yeah. It's hot up in New Mexico already. Golly.
So then I might bring my clothes in here and
You not might, you are.
okay, so I'm gonna bring my clothes in here and then have my shoes up here and some other stuff and
How we doing?
great.
Let's go in and show you guys the progress. Got the bed where it belongs. We know this door won't open all the way, but you can still access all the room, which is okay. got it next to the window because Pam likes to breeze on her head. We put the stuff that's gonna go under the bed again. This other stuff over here, we're gonna have room to arm that shelf, and this is gonna go in the storage outside. And this is the empty room that we're gonna convert into our studio / guest bedroom / office. And TV is gonna be gone. It's gonna go to the living room. As I showed you guys earlier, the living room is like a mess because it's literally our storage. So you got the beds here, the Pam over here. It's a rare sight, guys. She's folding. No, I'm just kidding. She does a lot of cleaning here. So we're moving the couches too. That bookshelf's going away. That's going in the room. This is trash. These are our lights are going into the spare bedroom. This desk. Oh, the couches are going to be somewhere else too. This desk is going in that room. So still got ways to go, but making good progress. So let's go.
What are you doing?
Putting the box spring on.
Do you need help?
I think I can do it. Now we're gonna bring in the mattress. Look at that chair.
I
It
think
works.
he's done for the day.
It works. One room down, 2 to go. Ah.
I'm not from Canada, but I see a lot of things. This man of love, I know how to handle love. I like the kind of love, make you put a...
Okay, let's go. ¿Qué más ocupamos?
So now we gotta clean this room. Put the stuff that are going in the storage outside. Clean it, vacuum it, and then start bringing the stuff that's coming in here. Which is, I guess, it's just my stuff.
It's pretty much it. So.
Yeah.
But, alright, let's get to it.
Oh, look, there's the tweezers you were looking for.
Yeah, I found him on the chair.
Oh.
Whatever.
We'll check in once we clean.
Okay.
All done.
So,
With this room, at least.
yeah.
So let's give you guys the grand tour. Yeah, so that's this room. What do you think?
I like it.
What's missing will be the futon that goes in right here. That'll make this a guest bedroom. These lights will change. We're gonna put lights all around on top. We're gonna probably get some LED ones.
More, más decoración.
More decorations in here, but in this one, Pam's old closet will be where all the lights are now, stuff like that. This is still my closet. So
You know what I like more about this?
what?
This one.
Yes, it's right on top of my desk.
Where it should go.
Oh, where it belongs. So we're done with this room. Now let's show you guys the bedroom. So this used to be our bedroom, and now it's the office. Coming in here. Walk into Pam's vanity, which isn't fully set up yet. Our DIY ring light. We have that. We have her closet, because she doesn't want to sleep where her clothes are not. Literally, that's what you told me. This is our bed, which is cool, comfy. It fits right here. And then at the foot of the bed is our TV when it's gonna be in the room. And then what are we doing to the living room?
So I already rearranged the couches, and we're gonna mount the TV in the living room, which is the other wall.
Yeah, so behind this wall right here,
Yeah.
it will be the TV. And the most cool thing is we drag our TV back and forth because we only have one. So it's been working so far. We do want to get another one, but we want a really, really big one. So we're saving our money to get about like an 85, a 90.
Yeah.
I want the 120, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's how we're going so far. So there's 2 rooms down, 1 to go. So here we go.
Okay, guys. So we have now finished with everything.
Last room was the living room, and go ahead, give them a tour, Pam.
So, the couches are now there by the door, which they were over here, where the TV is now. That's our patio. So, we have the rug set up this way, instead of under the couch. Okay, we have our keys over here.
Take them.
Right there. And then
I'll still lose my keys. I'll never put them there, but look at this.
always it's the
Shaggy hair, don't care.
I'm gonna shower. Okay,
Yeah,
so
right.
this is our living room now. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button, post notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And
Make sure to stay tuned for more videos. We'll actually be doing a throwback video of when we got engaged.
yes, and we took a bunch of video. We just never turned it into a vlog. So
Yeah.
we're gonna be sitting and talking. So yeah, so stay tuned. Thank you guys. Peace.